Okay. This is the show.
Oh, I was supposed to say it too, wasn't I?
Ow!
Ow! Your face is like covered by the light. Aha, now you're blocking it.
Well, you know what? Last night we were doing. Why did everything I say sounds perverted?
I don't know. Everything everyone says sounds perverted to me in some way.
Anyways, guess what me and Angel were doing last night? Guess what we were doing? No. No.
We didn't do anything last night.
Yeah, we did. We were having a competition to see who can
Laugh.
without.
No, it's who can look at each other the longest without laughing.
Yeah, I lost.
You lost every time.
Okay.
It takes you like 2
We're
seconds.
gonna try right now, okay?
Well, it'd be kind of hard because we need to put the camera on both of us. What are you doing? That looks wrong. What are you doing? Does my bed smell good?
Yeah.
I know, my bed smells really good. It's my lotion, I think.
It smells like a Christmas tree.
Well, it is a Christmas tree after all.
Yes, but guess what? Guess what?
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 Huh?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Tell them.
Oh wait, the music. Whoa. I'm sorry. My hand slipped. I forgot to turn the music up.
Okay, tell tell them the muffin joke.
I'm not telling them the muffin joke.
Muffin joke.
I'm not telling them the muffin. Why? It's not funny. Fine, I will tell you the muffin joke.
Do it in that voice too.
Fine, but you gotta do this. Don't cover up the sound thing. You won't be able to hear me.
Oopsie. Pinky's up.
What is the thing that Patrick says? I don't remember. I don't think
Muffin joke. The camera wants me to do it.
I wonder if this will help it. The muffin joke. That was lame. Anyway, okay. I have no idea what that. Okay. The muffin joke. Okay, there's two muffins in an oven. One muffin says to the other muffin. You're already laughing.
Muffin's talking.
Shut up. One muffin says to the other, "Oh my god, it's so hot in here." The other muffin says, "Oh my god, a talking muffin!"
Okay, here you go. I'm gonna drop it in 5. Wasn't that so funny?
Yeah. Hysterical.
I never heard anything like that before.
Only the 20 other times you made me tell it.
Yes, it's funny. It's funny. Oh, my shoulder hurts when I do that.
And their eyes hurt because the light's messing with your head.
Everything messes with my head.
Well, that's true.
My head's too heavy to stay up.
Oh no! You broke it more. Look at that. Whoa! Look at. Look at your poor thing. Look at your poor little sticky. Or my thing.
It moved.
Of course it
I
moved.
wonder what would happen if we poked a hole in your bed.
I already know what would happen because it's happened before. There's a bobby pin or something.
And guess what can do the worm?
I'm moving all this stuff because My back hurts. Again. I'm actually... He said he was gonna call.
Who, Frankie?
Yes, Frankie. Of course, Frankie.
You love Bunny.
At the moment. I'm kidding. Yes. Except he's not very much of a bunny type.
Okay. What is he then?
Grr. The G-I-R grr.
Oh.
Like it's Grr Beanie.
Aw.
Yeah. I made her watch the video.
You have nice hair, by the way.
I know, I love your hair. I love your hair. I probably look like crap after. Aww!
What?
Fuzzy Boo fell. Take the camera. I need to rescue Fuzzy Boo.
Tired?
Mm-hmm. Actually, no, not really. It's probably a horrible thing.
What is it, tickling your nose?
No. Oh, my nail! It broke!
Nice.
Oh, it was long, too. Good, I got to tear it off.
You can never grow your nails.
I know! No, look at it, it's short. This one. Don't zoom.
Why not? Is it this one?
I don't know. It's this one. On that wiggling. What's that doing? What are you doing?
It's a bunny. It's a bunny.
Mm-hmm. This is Fuzzy Boo, for those who didn't know. His name is Fuzzy Boo because he's fuzzy and blue.
I thought that was Fuzzy Boo.
It is Fuzzy Boo.
Then why is it blue? And you say because it's blue.
Because Boo isn't a color. Why are you doing that? Ooh, leggies.
Duck socks?
Yes, I have duck socks on. Duckies! You can see my front feet. See?
I want to touch you.
I love this song!
I really do. I want to touch you, you know? It's like...
I can't reach it. I don't know what I'm even getting on the camera. I hope I'm getting it. Yay, I got it. Ah! Take this. You zoom in on my butt. I'm gonna kill
No, I'm not.
Why are you zooming in on my artisticness? Well, some of it. That's just band stuff. Here's my Hot Topic bags! Woo!
You need to go there more.
I know. We only go to the mall like once a year. Whoops. I know I'm gonna die from malllessness.
We were supposed to go in February.
We were supposed to go in January.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, sorry, my sleeve got like weird.
What's the time?
9:00
Bye.
something.
Bye. I want to touch you.
I want to touch you more.
Let's get with it. Keep doing it off.